A Thai court has granted bail to nearly 20 people arrested in connection to protests in the country. But a local rights group says that the group doesn't include any of the main protest leaders. More than 1,000 people trooped to the streets of Bangkok. For the fifth day, they're defying an emergency decree banning large gatherings. Meanwhile, the Thai parliament may soon reconvene for an extraordinary session. Saksit Sayasombat explains what that means.
There seems to be a softening of his stance, where at least that's what the Thai media is saying there as well, and other media outlets as well, that he is trying to say, well, we let them protest, we do not engage them violently. Well, the crackdown on Friday with water cannons might disagree with that, but he also tells the protesters not to do anything illegal. Now, the problem, of course, is that the emergency decree does ban gatherings of more than 5, so technically they are violating and doing illegal stuff. Now, there is still some development on the political front, though. House Speaker Chorn Leek Pai had talks with the whips of the coalition and the opposition, and they all agreed to a special parliamentary session. Right now, parliamentary is recessed, but and it was going to reconvene in the beginning of November, but it seems to be they need to hurry up now, because they might be talking this week about how to get out of this whole political crisis. And one of these measures could be to talk about constitutional amendments, which is one of the demands by the protest leaders. They had the chance before Parliament went into recess in September, but a last-minute bait and switch by the coalition delayed the whole thing into next month. Now it seems to be they're rushing to get back into Parliament to talk about reforms, and it could be one effect here, that the protest seems to be working in some shape or form.